Hello everybody, welcome back to my Aadhaar technology course. In this session number 3, we'll be studying Aadhaar, a solution from Government of India. In this solution, government provides an unique identity to each of its resident which can be used in the government and private sector service processes. In this session, you will learn how Government of India conceived the idea of unique identity for its residents and what does the name Aadhaar mean. The Government of India conceived the idea of having a unique form of identification for its residents of India. It is to base the identity of an individual on a unique number which is linked to individual's demographic and biometric information. The features of this unique number will be as follows. Number 1, it will be randomly generated 12-digit number for every resident of India. For example, 26538564 4663. This number will be called unique identification number or Aadhaar number. The number will be unique, which means no two residents will have the same number. No resident can have two numbers because Aadhaar is based not just on the standard information like name, address, age, but also on biometric information which is unique to every person. To avoid frauds, the Aadhaar number will have no additional information within its value or structure. It will be a random number like the result of a lottery draw or like a throwing a dice. Aadhaar will be used to prove identity, not citizenship. It will not be compulsory for a resident of India to get an Aadhaar number. It will be voluntary. However, in future, certain service providers, government or private agencies make it compulsory for a person to have an Aadhaar number to avail its services. For example, in future, the public distribution system department may issue ration cards based on individual's Aadhaar number, and that number will appear on the ration card. The unique identification number given to each individual is called Aadhaar. The word Aadhaar, translated in most Indian languages, means foundation. Aadhaar is the word chosen to represent the unique identification number, which is a 12-digit number that will be provided to residents of India after collecting and verifying their demographic and biometric information. The Aadhaar number given to an individual or a resident can be used while connecting him to a government service. For example, PDS, Public Distribution System. PDS distributes the essential commodities to a large number of people through a network on recurring basis, or what we call as ration shop or fair price shop. The commodities could be wheat, rice, sugar and kerosene. Now it has been identified that there is a lot of leakage that would happen in this public distribution system, meaning that the quantities of the wheat or rice which is actually allocated will not reach the desired or the end person. So in order to avoid this, in future Aadhaar card number might be used as a proof of identity before delivering these services. Now let me review this session. Aadhaar is a solution crafted by Indian government. It aims to provide a unique number to each resident. This number will be used as a basis for identifying a resident. For more Aadhaar learning videos, visit http://youtube.com/user/dastikop or contact ravindra.dastikop@gmail.com.